Happy holidays, family. What's going on, fam? Look, I have a lot of new subscribers. Oh my God, you guys. I told you. I told you. Listen, and the gurus, they watching us, yo, family. They watching us. They hawking us. They know we doing something crazy over here. They know we making money over here. But look, if you're new to my channel, guys, I've been getting a lot of questions on what exactly is retail arbitrage. It's getting crazy. We got so many new people coming, and I see a lot of repetitive questions on what is retail arbitrage, what exactly is this. So for everybody that's been rocking with me, you guys already know. I mean, this video, you guys can sit and watch it if you want to, but I'm just gonna break it down really quick for the new people here that don't really know what it is. Don't mind my Christmas hat. This is Christmas spirit.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
For those of you that been here, I have to help the new family out, so let me just break it down for you really quick, really simple. All retail arbitrage is an investment, guys. All you're doing is making your money make more money, and you're making more money. So really what it is, you're just buying and reselling, guys. No matter what platform you're doing it on. What I do it on mainly is Amazon, FBA, and all it is, guys, is you're going into stores with an app called the Amazon Seller app that you can download on your Play Store, Google Play. I have Android. I don't know what it is for iStore, whatever it is for iPhones. And you download the Amazon Seller app. Once you download this app, you just go to stores and you start scanning it. It's so simple. You scan products, barcodes, and it will pop up. And if you can't scan it for whatever reason, the barcode is covered or it's just not popping up, we'll just type the item in manually and it will pop up. Then you're looking for the BSR, which is key. And what is BSR? I'll post a link to BSR right here and in the description. So after this video, you can check out what BSR means. But basically, with the BSR, it's going to tell you how fast, which is key, how fast your items will sell on Amazon, okay, guys? And this is very important. That's the first thing you want to look for, is the BSR. Because with a good BSR, it doesn't really... If you're making a profit, you're gonna buy it. Doesn't matter what type of ROI it is, because with a good BSR, that means it's gonna fly out extremely fast, right? Now there is little variables that do matter if the BSR is really good, and what would make you not buy it. And those are things just like Amazon being on the listing and control of the listing, too much competition on it, or just not enough profits, guys. But otherwise, if the BSR is good, you're gonna buy the product. All right, now, once you find the product and it has a good BSR, what you then do is you buy it if it's making you a profit. What I do on this channel, what you guys have been seeing me do, is really I've been doing a lot of Goodwill, thrifting, things like that, because I like high ROIs, guys. I like to make 200% on my money and more. I like to put in $1 and make at least $3 back or $2 back profit, right? So if I put in 1, I'll make my 1 plus 2. All right, guys. So if I put in 5, I make my 5 plus 10, and you know, $10 profit. So this is what I like to do. Now, this is not realistic for most of the gurus. What they do is they go to big box stores and they get clearance items and things like that, which is still good because you can keep buying the same item over and over and over, or there may be a lot at one time that you can buy, which kind of equals out, right? So, but what I like to do, like I said, is I like to get high ticket items so that I know if I spend a certain amount of money, I know I have $1,000 in profit coming, or whatever the case may be in profits coming. So that's why I do like thrift shops and Goodwills and things like that, because I can spend $5 and make 50. You know what I mean? So, and I like that ratio. But like I said, I do also do the online arbitrage and the more traditional retail arbitrage, hitting the big box stores like Walmart, Target from time to time. And well, not really Target, because my Target sucks here, but your Target may be good. You don't, just because mine sucks doesn't mean yours isn't, so check yours out. But Burlington, Walmart, I hit those stores for occasionally, and I find products that I can keep rebuying for a little while until multiple sellers get hip to that product, and then I can't really sell it too much after that, because there's tons of people on the listing. Honestly, for me, it's like, it's worth my time for high ticket items. Now, just because I'm doing that doesn't mean that that's all you have to go for, because it's not all I go for, guys. Another thing you can do if you do not have good stores in your area is do online arbitrage. I just made a video for that. Check the link right here, right? What online arbitrage is basically the same thing as retail arbitrage, but you're doing it online. There's so many diamonds online, guys, that you will find products online that you can just keep buying, and there'll only be a little bit of competition on it, and you guys can literally make thousands of dollars from just 1 or 2 products that you find online, and just keep reordering it, guys. And you're going to sites like Best Buy, and you're going to these sites, and you are seeing if you can find an item that's going to make you a profit. Now, once you find an item, you just mail it to yourself, and then the process is the same. You send it into Amazon. And also, if you need to know how to send a product to Amazon, right, after you figured out how to buy it, you figured out how to scan it, right, and what to look for, and once you're at the next step to sending it to Amazon, I have a video step by step for that, guaranteed for success. So if you need that video, click the link right here, or it will be in the description, the step by step how to send your products to Amazon, guys. Once you find these products through your seller app, all you do is make sure it has a demand and you send it in, and it's pretty much that simple, guys. There's really nothing to it. Now, a lot of the offset questions I've been getting, like for example, labels or prices on the item, like if you have sticky prices or the actual item has a price on it, you want to get rid of those prices. You do not want to send it to Amazon or have a customer buy it for a higher price and you still left the price on. You do not want any prices on the box. You do not want any price shown on the box, because the prices fluctuate on Amazon, and if you have a price on the box and it's not matching that price that the customer bought it for, and most of the time that price is going to be lower than whatever the customer bought it for, so therefore when they receive that box and see that lower price, they're going to be ticked off. So you want to hide all the prices on the boxes. You want to hide all barcodes. And what I like to do is, if you have multiple barcodes on a box, I would just take a blank label sheet and I would cover it, and then I will put my label on another existing barcode on that box. Now, if you don't know what the labels are that I'm talking about, once again, here is another video you're gonna need, is everything that you need to sell on Amazon. I'll post a link to that right here. I don't know where it's gonna pop up, family, but if it's one of these sites, I will post it right now and down in the link below, okay, guys? Everything you will need to sell on Amazon. Now, it's just that simple, guys. If for any of you guys that need the estimator, because so many of you guys been asking me what do I use to figure out the BSRs and how many times an item sells, just go to Google and type in Jungle Scout Estimator, guys. Jungle Scout Estimator, that's what I use, and then it'll give you, it's so easy. It just says you can press United States, press the category your item's in, and then tell them the BSR number that you have for that item, and it will tell you how many times it sells in a month, okay? Google Jungle Scout Estimator. Yeah, this was a quick one. I ain't gonna talk your ears off. And guys, I apologize, I haven't been uploading because, I mean, it's the holiday season. I'm getting ready for the holidays. I have family in town, and it's just, you know, we're just working. I'm working at the same time, and then my daughter, her birthday is sneaking up on me. She's gonna be 1 year old, first birthday. We're thinking about things we're gonna do and plan. I'm getting her Christmas presents and stuff. So guys, yeah, it's just been a happy holiday, fam. But this one's for all the new subscribers. You guys, yo, look, the gurus, they watching us, yo, they got the gurus are watching us. Yo, wave, say hi. But yeah, family, so let's continue to make these moves, let's continue to make this money, and let's continue to grow, everybody. It is peace and love. If you're watching this video for the first time, then hit that subscribe button. I mean, you know you want to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell to get notified when I upload. It is peace and love. Once again, I love saying that because that's just the good vibes. Good vibes, good vibes. We out.